La 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 la.
Hi guys, hello and welcome to a new vlog. So today is Saturday. Normally I'll just be at home. We went to church. Yeah, we went to church yesterday. And what else? I think that was yesterday. We went to church, came home because my baby was not. Okay, I'm currently editing last week's vlog. I've never started, but I know like some of the clips was like we were at the emergency room, went to the ER because what happened? I think either Kobe was sick. But yesterday we went to the emergency room because I think Kissy, he's had fever. But I mean, like, I'm not the first time mom anymore that I run to the hospital every time my baby had a fever. But this time around, the fever lasted for like 2 days, almost 3 days. Then after that, he developed rashes all over his face. Then it spread to his body. Okay, the night before, Kobe was itchy. Then my mom told me to Hoya powder, that means pour powder at his back. So when I was done pouring the powder, then the remaining I just rubbed on Kiss's body. I have never used powder on him because the powder I used to get was from Johnson's, and I don't know, my babies don't like Johnson, especially Kobe. So anyway, I've never used powder or any Johnson's product on my babies. So he broke out, and I thought it was maybe a reaction to this thing, but it lasted the whole of, I think, Thursday. By Friday, after we got back from church, I didn't know, my husband and I said, let's just take him to the hospital because someone said that what if it's measles? And I don't know what measles is supposed to look like. And I don't know if he has gotten the shot for measles. So we went, but he just said it was a viral infection. I don't know. See, this country, any small thing, viral infection. Anyone's a viral infection, so I don't know how a viral infection would have made him get rash all over. But anyway, they give us an ointment that looks like Vaseline and paracetamol if he gets a fever again. I have Dara from the last time I have almost like 10 brand new bottles of paracetamol. I'm supposed to give away of paracetamol. If you want paracetamol in Qatar, just let me know, I'll give you. But anyway, so I'm about to get ready. I have my makeup brushes here. I have not done makeup in months, and I had to watch a YouTube video last week to try and remember a bit. So just try and get, I don't know, just pray for me, Sha. But yeah, I don't know if I said it properly, but I'm having Christmas dinner with some of my girlfriends, and it's supposed to be by 6. So I'm supposed to leave. My house is very far, so I'm supposed to leave by 5. So it's already to 4. So I'll just try and do some skincare and then try and start doing this makeup. So I'm going to moisturize my face. I have a favorite moisturizer, but it's behind you guys. I want to move you. So I'm just going to use, this is another favorite. So I'm going to use this one from Lagom. I don't know if I pronounce it properly, but yeah. So I already have I used, don't know. See, that's cinematic movie to stress me. But anyway, I'm trying to do my makeup because I have like an hour 15 minutes. This is the front camera, but bear with me. I used the prep part from Claire's. I had it on my face for a few minutes, not so long because my baby woke up and I had to carry her. So I used that, but I'm going to tone my face with the. I don't know if you. I have a video. I tried to I like putting my toners in spray bottles. So I get these bottles from not most Daiso. So I just put them here and I just put them on my face. This is the rice. I think it's the rice water toner. Aha. So the makeup tutorial I watched said your hand fan is your best friend in doing your makeup. So you do your skincare, you dry it down. You put your primer, you dry it down. So I'm not in a hurry because my babies are both awake, so I don't have the luxury of constantly just being here. I'm just going to take my time. I have like an hour plus. So I'm not doing too much. I just want a clean beat that would last the night because there'll be a lot of picture taking. I'm using this moisturizer from, again, front camera, so just bear with me. But this is from Lagom. Love it. It's just, when I use it, I love using it at night. It just leaves me hydrated, like all till morning. My face is so good. I'll just try to. I'm not doing my makeup on camera. I don't even know how to do makeup. No, because trying to do it on camera. I don't know what I was thinking. But one time I tried to even film a makeup tutorial for Instagram. I know will send me a message, and I know this fan is making noise. So, I'll put it out. But yeah, I tried to cut my lace of my wig. I tried to do a video for Instagram. I don't know. I have a very serious relationship with Instagram. Like I'm always trying to do stuff for Instagram. I don't know how it will turn out. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I might insert some clips of me doing my makeup. I put eye cream. I used the one from Mary and May. I'll try and insert a clip. Again, the review is on my Instagram. I have not done my brows in a while, so just try to shape them a little bit and you see. So yeah. That kebab. I'm picking myself for that kebab, but don't just take. Can I try one? No. If I don't like it, Coco.
I like it.
This is most of it.
This is my first month having it.
It's not
Cauliflower
opening.
is good.
No, let me open it. But I heard that if you do this thing, eat this thing, it's going to help you. You don't
Omuka. It's oysters.
What's this one?
Mussels.
That is different.
Same seafood, right?
Well, it's different.
Say oyster exists to be something.
Erimo.
Hey,
I'm sorry. I don't know.
going to say, what should I eat this thing?
Maybe.
What shall we know the chop egg?
Give me the top egg. Yeah.
It don't taste like fish. This is perfect. I need to come there and take a picture.
I like the concept.
I'm the concept here.
You are. That's the first one that's going on my page. No.
This is perfect.
What are we? Only I have three. My microphone. What does it have? Can I have that one? Thank you. Sorry. Press the camera and check it. Nice. Yes. Wait. What are you taking? What is the way I see? I don't think. Which one do you want? Whatever.